This is another windstorm from hell. It's about 4 o'clock where I live. It is December 11th, 2014. And right now it should be about 35 degrees, 32 degrees. It is 67 degrees out. I believe it was January 1st, 2006, when we had a really bad windstorm. I haven't noticed too much damage yet, but maybe the morning will prove me wrong. This is really crazy out here. For my part of the country, it should be very cold, and we've had this wind going for like at least 4 or 5 hours now. And what happens with a wind like this is that you can have a wind going for a couple hours and it starts ripping things up, but after a few hours what the wind does is it batters the hell out of everything. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear the wind noise. I wanted to take a picture of this. But this is a windstorm from hell, 2014. December 2014 in Walla Walla, Washington. The wind speed must be at least gusts up to 50, 60 miles an hour, I believe. Now here's a trivial question. Hurricane watchers or people out there that want to know. What is the speed in miles per hour that it takes to knock a human being off his feet or her feet, just standing where you're standing? The answer is a wind speed of 80 miles per hour will knock you right on your ass. God, amazing. Look how fast those clouds are moving. This baby. Tomorrow I'll capture more of the damage. This is crazy. I haven't seen wind like this and temperatures like this for the middle of December in years. I just can't believe it. I mean, I could be out here with my shirt off, practicing my windsurfing. No pun intended. Look at that tree. That tree is really going. So I imagine tomorrow there's going to be a lot of damage. I don't know if you can hear that. It seems like the wind is getting worse and worse and worse. It's kind of a cool picture though. Listen to that. I'll keep broadcasting and taking pictures as long as I'm able. That is, if the hurricane force winds don't keep coming this way. You can see it's all dark clouds except for this one line over here. I'm not a meteorologist, so I don't know that much about it. All I know is it's not very good. Alright, I'm signing off from the windstorm from hell in Walla Walla, December 2014.